Everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how you can get gold stickers in Monopoly Go. We have three ways on how you can get gold stickers. The first way here is by joining the Today Quick Wins right here at the bottom left-hand corner of your screen. And then basically here, you just need to regularly check this Today's Quick Wins. And if you get some rewards, you can see one of those are the 2-star gold stickers right here. You'll find right here at the bottom, which on the second rewards from here. So yeah, that's the first way here. The second way on how you can get gold stickers is by going to some tournaments. So here on Top Hat tournament, for example, if you're going to play in this tournament and you will get some gold stickers. Basically here we have 4 gold stickers. We have a 3 stars gold stickers and 2 stars gold stickers. So what you're going to do here, you just need to play here on Monopoly Go to get those rewards. Now the last way here on how you can get gold stickers is by going to your album. Here on your album, you want to tap on the vault right here at the bottom right hand corner. And basically, if you have some duplicate stickers, you can exchange that into stars for rewards. For example, here, if you have 250 duplicate stickers, you can get a 3 stars gold stickers or 4 stars gold stickers. And then lastly here at the bottom, you'll find some more gold stickers if you unlock this level to or in net worth into 1400s. So that's all. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel.